Hello everyone. Today I'm here at Owakudani on a bus tour. We only have 20 minutes to stay, so there isn't much time. But I'll do my best to capture the atmosphere of Owakudani while taking a stroll and share it with you all. The altitude here is about 1,044 meters, and you can reach this spot quickly by ropeway. As soon as you step off, you're greeted by the smell of sulfur. You can really feel the volcanic energy. There are many souvenir shops around, and it's bustling with tourists. Now, let's take a little walk. As we walk, we can see white smoke rising from various spots. This is volcanic gas, mainly consisting of steam and sulfur dioxide. It has a distinct sulfuric smell. For Japanese people, it might resemble the scent of a hot spring, but how does it smell to you? You can also hear the roaring sound of the steam erupting. It feels as if the earth itself is breathing. The weather is perfect today, and the view is absolutely stunning. Winter, in particular, is the best season to enjoy breathtaking scenery, as the air is crisp and clear. From this observation deck, you can take in a spectacular panoramic view, and many visitors are capturing the moment with photos. The vast, dreamlike landscape is truly mesmerizing. Since I'm here, I'll take a moment to fully soak it all in. After walking a little further, I see a shop selling kuro tamago, black eggs. These are boiled in the hot springs and are said to add 7 years to your life when eaten. I won't be buying any today since we're short on time, but if you visit, be sure to give them a try. There is a bus stop here, making this area bustling with tourists. Since it's located at a high altitude, getting here can be quite a challenge. But with JGL's bus tour, you can enjoy a smooth and comfortable journey all the way from Tokyo. The weather is beautiful today, with clear, crisp air allowing for stunning views into the distance. Mount Fuji is standing tall and clearly visible, absolutely breathtaking. With its snow-capped peak, it truly symbolizes Japan. One of its charms is how its appearance changes with the seasons and weather. Since we're here, let's explore a little further. There are several observation spots, so changing angles can offer a fresh perspective. As you move around, the scenery shifts little by little, making every viewpoint a new discovery. Oh, this is a perfect scenic spot. On a clear day, you can even see Lake Ashi and Mount Fuji. Being at a high altitude, the breeze feels so refreshing. All right, let's head back to where we started. This area is a parking lot, so be sure to watch your step as you walk. Not many people venture out this way, but since we're here, let's check it out. I'm excited to see what kind of view awaits us. Over at that shop, they're selling black soft serve ice cream. I wonder what it tastes like. Definitely something to be curious about. Now that I think about it, I've never been up there before. I wonder what's waiting at the top. Let's go on a little adventure. What could this be? A warm spring is bubbling up from the ground. It seems to be a purification spring for cleansing hands. Just a reminder, this water isn't for drinking. Right beside it stands a Jizo statue. According to legend, a monk who was deeply moved by the hellish landscape of Owakudani carved this Jizo bosatsu and offered prayers here. It is believed to bring blessings for longevity and child rearing, making it well known among visitors. Placing your hands in the flowing hot spring may cleanse not only your body but also your heart. Since we're here, let's take a moment to pay our respects. We're already halfway through the tour. Time flies so fast. Now might be a great time to check out the large souvenir shop. Owakudani isn't just about breathtaking views. It also has a fantastic selection of souvenirs. Since we're here, let's go take a look. A spacious souvenir shop in a scenic spot, surrounded by rising steam. Here you'll find the famous black-shelled boiled eggs, along with a variety of local specialties. From sweets and trinkets to skincare products unique to hot spring regions and exclusive original goods, there's plenty to explore. There's also a dining area inside, where you can enjoy freshly made snacks and desserts. Why not take a break and find the perfect souvenir to remember your trip? It looks like we're almost out of time. To wrap things up, let's visit my favorite photo spot. It's the perfect place to capture both the Owakudani statue and Mount Fuji in one shot. Highly recommended. How was today's walk? I hope you were able to experience the charm of Owakudani. Owakudani is a place where you can truly feel the Earth's energy, surrounded by powerful steam vents and the distinct scent of sulfur. With breathtaking views from 1,000 meters above sea level and the famous Kurotamago you can only find here, there's so much to see and enjoy. When you visit here, be sure to take in the magnificent scenery and unique atmosphere of Owakudani. Until our next adventure, see you soon. Thank you for watching.